This 2025 Keystone Hideout Sport 175BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 20 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, refrigerator, microwave, skylight, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, awning, air conditioning, spare tire kit, stovetop burner, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Hideout Sport 175BH is 3,020 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.